did get that patio door installed. We got most of the windows out, and the patio door is now in. Let's take a look together. Mr. Garry back with you and son Devin. We are here today getting ready to install a reclaimed, repurposed, recycled patio door that we got on Marketplace. We're in the process now of putting together the header that's going to go up above Devin's head right there in that space. We've already done our measurements. We've already taken the backside out of the Ole Church, and we're filling it in now, getting it all ready and prepped. And we're getting ready, as I said, to put together the header, and we're welcoming you to join us in this video. For the header, folks, we're using 3 pieces of recycled 2x6, and we're using a piece of plywood in between, also to build up the space. We need 5 inches for the header, and 3 pieces of the 2x6 plus a piece of 1/2-inch plywood gives us that 5 inches. Devin is attaching these scabs of plywood now to just one, and then we're going to turn that over, and that's going to become part of the header. This is the opening now. We've got it pretty much all prepped. We've got our king studs all put in place. We've got our jack studs in place. We are all ready to attach. We are all ready to attach the header. We'll do that shortly. We have a little problem though. We have a little bit of electrical right in the middle of the threshold where the patio door is going to go. So we'll have to figure that out. We'll have to get rid of that plug-in. I'm thinking I'm going to be converting the plug-in to the electrical for lights on both sides of this patio door. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, Devin is, as I said, putting the scabs on, and we'll soon be ready to flip that piece of 2x6 over. For the rest of this project, in terms of making the header, we're going to be using 3-inch, 3.5-inch screws. Okay, now we're going to flip them over and do the other side. Okay, flip. Okay, so now put this one on. I wonder, should we put some screws down through before we put this one on? Put a few down through this one and then put that one on. All right? I think that might be a good idea. We got lots of screws, so we should be able to do that. Where we got that scab to, so between my 2 fingers. I don't think she said. I think we got it strengthened up. We got it strong enough with that piece of plywood in the center there, and 3 pieces of 2x6. That header is not going to stop. Lots of screws. Yeah, you go ahead, put in another one. If you think we should put in another one, the scab hinge right there, yeah. So we'll go a little ways back from the end of it. Now we put on that one. Again, lots of screws. Okay, it's your square. We don't have a scab, so every foot you can put on. another battery over on the church. Okay, so that's our header. We have it made now with, like I said, with 3 pieces of 2x6 and some 1/2-inch plywood in between for scabs, just to give it some extra strength and use for spacing. So it's ready to install over there where this reused, reclaimed, repurposed patio door is going. Hopefully today. That's a good thing. Got a hammer and a pen. Okay, here's the hammer. See if you can fasten it. Alright. Give it to me, give me a hammer. Come on now. A little bit at a time. Okay. Now come with now. No, top, on the top. Work your way around. Okay, try that one over there. A little more. Yeah. She's a good fit. I think you just give them a little tap here and there. Be careful, not too much strength. Oh yeah. Alright, too much. Need to come back a bit now. Alright. Huh? Yeah. Perfect. That's the header. We have the header in. He's not coming out of there. That's the opening for the patio door. We've got this to fill in with some lumber. And then we've got to put on our tie back. And we've got to put on our foam insulation and then our siding outside. Here we got insulation and we've got vapor barrier. We got electrical to do. So we've got a nice bit of work to do yet before we can put that patio door in place. Oh, folks, take a look at that. Just look over my shoulder. We did get that patio door installed. We got most of the windows out, and the patio door is now in. Let's take a look together. Okay, so as you can see, we have been quite busy. There are just 2 windows now left to remove in this very, very long church wall. And we did manage to get out 3 windows right here in this section. And we did get that patio door installed yesterday. My son Devin and I, we have been quite busy. So I'm gonna open it and show you what it looks like. Got to unlock it first. Here we go. Quite a bit of mess outside, but we do have a patio door now in the wall here at the old church. Isn't that something? Now, folks, as always, and before I go, I want to say thank you ever so much for tuning in to our videos, especially these renovation videos from here at the old church. We are indeed renovating this entire church into a home, a private residence for myself and Miss Betty, and we are working away pretty much every day getting projects completed and tasks done. And thank you so much for joining us in that endeavor. We appreciate that so very, very much. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing next. We're soon going to be getting at our kitchen, I can tell you that. But not sure what's next. But come back, and come back often. Mr. Garry, signing out.